Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Former Mamelodi Sundowns star Lucas Ribeiro is officially a free agent after the expiry of his short-term deal with Spanish club Cultural Deportiva Leonesa. The Brazilian forward joined the second-tier side for the 2025-26 season under controversial circumstances after terminating his contract with Mamelodi Sundowns, citing just cause via the FIFA tribunal, alleging they blocked potential moves for lucrative career opportunities with an inflated transfer valuation. Citing the Diarra ruling, he has been represented by the DuPont Hissel law firm that was at the forefront of the Bosman ruling being implemented by FIFA. And the Ribeiro case, if won, could set another major precedent in the future of global professional football. While it appeared the club, who has close ties with Qatar SC, another outfit Lucas Ribeiro was linked with, would be a pit stop. It's been a decision to forget as he suffered relegation to the third tier of Spanish football with Cultural Leonesa, and now looks poised to make a move to Libya with Al Ittihad Tripoli, where he could reunite with his former coach Rhulani Mokoena, who coached him at Mamelodi Sundowns. The 27-year-old won the PSL Golden Boot, Footballer of the Season, Players Player of the Season, Goal of the Season, as well as FIFA Club World Cup Goal of the Tournament during his time with Sundowns. And overall, he netted 37 goals with 22 assists in 88 games, emerging as one of the most fearsome attacker on the continent. Lucas Ribeiro's trajectory was going very high. However, a move to Cultural Leonesa, where he got relegated, derailed his progress, where he made 27 appearances in the league, scoring 4 goals and 2 assists. He had 9 yellow cards and 1 red card, meaning that he had more yellow cards than goal contributions in the Spanish second tier. Now, let me hear your thoughts. Where do you want to see Lucas Ribeiro play? Do you want to see him back in the PSL, maybe back at Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates? Or do you think that maybe he should go to Al Ittihad in Tripoli, where there are rumors that he might side with the Libyan Giants? Let me hear your thoughts. And remember, his case with Mamelodi Sundowns is not over. It's still with FIFA tribunal, so we'll still have to see the outcome of that case. That is why Cultural Leonesa signed him on a short-term deal in case don't go in favor of Ribeiro. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.